My name is Mandy Evans and I have been running workshops from my gallery, the Art Garden in Beverley, Western Australia. I just want to introduce the next workshop that I've been doing. It's very exciting. I've developed a new workshop where you paint onto notebooks. I've been doing it now for months. I've been painting onto notebooks because I'm an obsessive notebook user. So I make my own notebooks and use them all the time. Then I started realizing that this would be a freaking awesome workshop. That's the first exercise. We paint the stripy lines. Then in the afternoon we make all over it. Working with the circles is so exciting because what you do there is you're painting into this, it's wet on wet technique where you're watching the colour bleed from one to the other. So you're playing with colour and you're working out all these really great shapes and organic shapes appear after it dries, and then you play with it in the afternoon, putting all these harmonising sort of decoration on it. Another wet on wet using a mop brush, and you're sort of basically getting nice natural shapes out of the garden, and then we come back in and we paint beautiful so you can see that it's Australian native plants from out the front of my house, but it's abstracted, and it's a technique which I will teach you at this workshop. And throughout the day we'll be working through the principles of abstract painting, and you can take this into like free abstract on any of the notebooks if you choose to. You don't have to restrict yourself to just doing the exercises.